This is the eosinophil, a specialized cell of the immune system. This pro-inflammatory white blood cell generally is identified by its binucleus, or two-lobed nucleus, surrounded by cytoplasm and granules. This cell is normally 12 to 17 nanometers long and takes up about 1 to 6% of the white blood cell in the body. Many activities of the cell include tissue remodeling and repair, metabolic homeostasis, immune response and regulation, as well as cell activation. However, the most important part of the cell is host defense.
Before our immune system can use eosinophils to fight off infection, our eosinophils must be produced somewhere in the body. Development of this cell begins in the bone marrow. There, a special stem cell called a multipotent hematopoietic stem cell is formed. Next, this stem cell can divide into a common myeloid progenitor or a common lymphoid progenitor, both of which are special cells which can give rise to a wide variety of cell types. The myeloid lineage undergoes further development in the bone marrow before it differentiates into a granulocyte progenitor. This granulocyte progenitor divides into the granulocytes, neutrophils, basophils, monocytes, and of course, eosinophils.
Sir, yes, sir!
Finally, the eosinophils mature as they leave the bone marrow and migrate into the blood, where they can begin their journey to fight infections as powerful cells of the immune system.
So what happens during an infection? Well, let's take a parasitic infection, for example. This infection is extracellular and usually takes place somewhere in the body's tissues. Just before our mighty eosinophil can get to work, plasma cells will release antibodies. These antigen-specific antibodies will coat the parasite and act as a guide message for eosinophils.
Run.
Once coated, eosinophils can bind to the parasite-bound antibodies and release granules and enzymes. Remember, eosinophils are granulocytes. These secreted granules and enzymes will damage parasitic cell membranes. Once enough of these have been secreted, the parasite dies off and the job is done. For now.